are you here?
That's the way you ask that question. There's a way they
seems like your party is having issues.
Having issues? We don't have any issues anywhere. I think what you should be thinking about is that why are some people afraid? The same people who say they have won the election, that they have 30-something governors around that are supporting them, but you could see at every time they are afraid and they're doing everything to sabotage. We don't have any issue. I mean, we've been told that, hey, go there, you're alone, you don't have, governors with you. And we say we have the Nigerian people. And you can see here, just within a few hours of what has happened, literally the whole country is represented. People are coming from all over. So we don't have an issue as a party. We are there doing what we are doing, which is focusing on engaging with citizens respectfully, the way any political party should. And we are not engaged in trying to undermine anyone. But I think the people that should be answering the question is, why are they afraid?
Why do you think INEC gave that announcement?
Well, the reason why they gave that announcement is because of the fact that the only independence in INEC is the I in it. And so it has shown repeatedly, the INEC has shown repeatedly that it is partisan and that it is not independent as should be. This is an institution that is supposed to be unbiased, but in every way, it's almost as if it's an arm of APC. And so why are you giving that kind of a judgment? The judgment never said you should remove, David Mark or Aregbesola. It didn't say you should remove the national chairman or the national secretary. It said you should go to a status quo antebellum. That's what it says. And what is that status quo antebellum? When the guy went in there, David Mark was already there as the national chairman. Aregbesola was already as the national secretary. But I think the thing that Nigeria should be focused on is the fact that for those who say they have 30-something governors, for those who say they have kept money that they have not used in the last 3 years to develop our country, they have kept it probably to use during the election, but they are this scared and they're looking for whatever it is to destabilize parties. And then another thing also, it used to happen in Labour Party. Why is it happening in Labour Party now? It's not. Now it's ADC that they're focused on. They know where their affairs are.
So what message do you forward now?
The way forward is us as a party. We are coming here. We are law-abiding. We do everything by the letter of the law, and we're here to do a conference and put that out. And when the message goes out, definitely they will hear from us loud and clear. Nigerians will hear from us loud and clear. But one thing I'm going to say to you is that we are not intimidated. We are not afraid. We are not thinking of giving up or whatever. This country, and I've said this before, and I'm going to say it now again. Nigeria is at war. Going into 2027 is going to be a war, and we are fighting for our lives and we are fighting for the soul of this nation. So giving up is not an option.
So what message do you have for the INEC Chairman and Nigeria?
The message I have to INEC Chairman, he should remember that before he became INEC Chairman, there was someone who was INEC Chairman. And after he's gone from that seat, there will be people that will be there. What will he be remembered for? This is someone who is a professor, not just professor in any profession, but in law. He's a son. So first of all, he should not be the one making up the law or reading the mind of what, the ruling of the courts have said. If there's anything he doesn't understand, he should go there. And we are hearing reports that he was threatened, he was coerced into it. He should remember that whatever seat he holds is not the power that he has now. It is what he is remembered for. He should make INEC independent, not just the I being independent, but the whole organization itself being independent.
Why not go back to the court and seek interpretation? I mean, very clear interpretation of the ruling.
Does going to the court mean you will not do a press conference? So we are here. The leadership will tell you at the press conference, there's going to be, we're having a press conference, right? There's going to be a press statement, and then you listen to what the press statement would say, and then take it off from there. Going to the court doesn't mean that you will not address, the gentlemen of the press.
If you have to say a word to your supporters out there that are watching you, what will you be telling them?
Don't give up. We're here and we're fighting this to the end. Nigeria is a country that belongs to all of us, and nobody would think that just because they got into power illegitimately that they're going to own this country. We all are Nigerians, and no Nigerian is more Nigerian than any Nigerian.